emergency treatment in heart disease. The heart disease which require first aid are angina pectoris and heart attack. angina pectoris अगर बताएं तो this term means pain of cardiac origin without coronary thrombosis. It occurs due to spasm or narrowing of coronary arteries, so they cannot supply enough blood to the heart. The pain is of short duration and it is relieved by rest. Heart disease, also called as cardiovascular disease, heart disease is the leading cause of death. टाइप्स देखते हैं. टाइप्स ऑफ हार्ट डिजीज: एरिथमिया, एबनॉर्मल हार्ट रिदम, एथेरोस्क्लेरोसिस, hardening of the arteries, cardiomyopathy, heart's muscles are hardened and grow weak, coronary artery disease, CAD जिसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में CAD, ischemic heart disease भी इसे कहते हैं, IHD, buildup of plaque in the heart's arteries, heart infections caused by bacteria, viruses or parasites. The heart disease which require first aid are angina pectoris and heart attack, जैसा अभी बताए हैं. अब देखते हैं angina pectoris. जैसे अभी बता रहे थे कि angina pectoris होता क्या है. कार्डियक ओरिजिन में पेन होता है ये. It is caused by a short term blockage. Angina almost always occurs after strenuous exercise or period of high stress for the victim. Angina should start to relieve very shortly after resting a few minutes. Angina pectoris means pain in cardiac origin without coronary thrombosis. It occurs due to spasm or narrowing of coronary arteries, so they cannot supply enough blood to the heart. The pain is of short duration and it is relieved by rest. Sign and symptoms: chest pain radiating to the left shoulder and left arm. Chest pain means tightness, pressure or pain in chest. Back pain above or between the shoulder blades. Nausea or indigestion or vomiting. Pale, cool, clammy skin. Polar and cyanosis. Rapid and shallow respiration. Breathing may be inhibited by pain. Gray skin or blue skin. Unconsciousness. Difficulty in breathing. Breathing may be inhibited by pain. Clouding of consciousness, जैसा भी unconsciousness बताएं. पोलर एंड साइनोसिस बता चुके हैं. अब इसमें देखते हैं फर्स्ट एड ट्रीटमेंट क्या देते हैं. एमरजेंसी ट्रीटमेंट क्या यूज़ करते हैं एंजाइना पेक्टोरिस के लिए. रीअश्योरेंस ऑफ पेशेंट्स. लूजन टाइट क्लोथिंग स्पेशली अराउंड द नेक टू हेल्प द विक्टिम relax and help medical personnel access the chest. The patient must sit or lie down. If there is vomiting, he should be placed in recovery position. Clothes must be loosened. If the patient has tablets, glycerol trinitrates, he may be asked to take it. Help the casualty or victim sit reclined with the body leaned back at about 45 degrees with feet on the floor but knees raised. This puts the patient in a W position. Getting the victim comfortable without straining is more important than the position. Avoid giving food or drink which can complicate some treatments. If the victim complains of thirst, small sips of plain water or ice are acceptable. Immediate medical advice is required. Be vigilant for any changes in condition which can occur rapidly and without warning. Be prepared to do CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation should the victim go into cardiac arrest. अब देखेंगे हार्ट अटैक। A heart attack happens when the flow of oxygen-rich blood in one or more of the coronary arteries which supply the heart muscle suddenly becomes blocked and a section of heart muscle cannot get enough oxygen. The blockage is usually caused when a plaque ruptures. In this case, a clot or thrombosis forms in a diseased coronary artery. It produced damage and death to a portion of heart muscle, myocardial infarction. Sign and symptoms: sudden onset of severe crushing central chest pain. It spreads to the left arm. It may also radiate to the jaw, neck, other arm, abdomen or back. Chest pain, pressure, fullness or discomfort. Discomfort in other areas of your body. Fainting and vomiting, difficulty in breathing, dizziness, nausea and vomiting, cold sweats, fainting, irregular pulse. Heart may stop with sudden collapse of the patient, cardiac arrest जिसे कहते हैं. Polar sweating and cyanosis, irregular pulse, rapid or shallow respiration. Heart may stop with sudden collapse of the patient, cardiac arrest अभी बताएं. A heart attack or myocardial infarction occurs when the heart cannot get enough oxygen. A lack of oxygen causes a heart muscles to die. Treatment or first aid. If there is no pulse, cardiopulmonary resuscitation (CPR) must be recommended immediately. Call 108 immediately. Sit or lie down while waiting for the ambulance and loosen any tight clothing. Stay calm because anxiety increases the heart's need for oxygen. Nothing should be given by mouth. Unconscious patient with pulse and breathing should be placed in recovery position. Airway must be maintained. Take nitroglycerin if it prescribed to you or the person you are with. It helps ease chest pain by opening up your blood vessels so your heart doesn't have to work as hard. Clothes must be loosened and the patient reassured. Conscious patient must be placed sitting at 45 degrees and should not be laid flat. Legs should not be raised since it may increase venous return and thus strain the heart. Movement must be limited as much as possible. Medical help must be summoned immediately. अब बात करेंगे स्ट्रोक की. It occurs due to cerebral hemorrhage or due to thrombosis of cerebral blood vessels. It occurs due to impaired blood supply to brain or due to increased pressure. There is loss of function of the affected area. Speech may be affected or there may be paralysis or of one or more limbs. Altered consciousness or coma is common. Sign and symptoms. Disorientation means loss of sense of direction or mental confusion. Difficulty with speech, weakness, paralysis, loss of balance, headache, coma, incontinence, loss of bladder control, unequal pupils. फर्स्ट एड देखेंगे. इफ pulse or respiration stops, resuscitation is started immediately. Nothing should be given by mouth, and the other measures are clear airway is ensured, reassurance of patient if unconscious, he is placed in recovery position, clothes are loosened, medical aid is summoned to be present. तो emergency treatment for heart disease ये इतना ही है. अब जिस CPR या कार्डियोपल्मोनरी रिसक्सिटेशन की बात कर रहे थे, रिसक्सिटेशन मेथड्स की, उसके बारे में देखेंगे. CPR होता क्या है? तो CPR रिसक्सिटेशन इज डिफाइंड एज, सिर्फ रिसक्सिटेशन मेथड की बात करें तो पहले रिसक्सिटेशन की बात करते हैं. इट इज डिफाइंड एज रिस्टोरेशन ऑफ वंस लाइफ हु इज apparently dead, collapsed or ill shocked. First aid for unconscious patient is CPR, that is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. CPR mainly includes mouth to mouth artificial respiration, mouth to nose respiration, cardiac or chest massage. CPR is used to revive someone who has stopped breathing or whose heartbeat has stopped. मतलब कार्डियक अरेस्ट अगर किसी पेशेंट को हुआ है तब CPR दे सकते हैं. अगर या फिर किसी की सांस बंद हो गई है, हार्ट बीट रुक गई है, कार्डियक अरेस्ट हुआ है, तब CPR का यूज़ करते हैं. CPR का फुल फॉर्म है कार्डियोपल्मोनरी रिसक्सिटेशन. Not everyone who has a heart attack needs CPR because not all heart attack cause the heart to stop beating. If someone suddenly collapse, मतलब कोई अचानक से गिर जा रहा है, सांस लेने में दिक्कत है, और passes out and is not responding to you, immediately call 108. Begin chest compression at a rate of 100 compressions per minute or 25 compressions in 15 seconds. After 30 compressions begins rescue breathing. इसमें कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो कि माइंड में रखते हैं CPR करने के पहले, तो बता दें. डू नॉट गिव वाटर और टी कॉफ़ी टू द विक्टिम एज ओरल ड्रिंक. अगर कोई पेशेंट है जिसको CPR की नीड है तो उसे ना तो चाय देंगे, ना पानी देंगे, या फिर कोई मुंह से पीने के लिए कुछ भी मुंह से नहीं देंगे उसको। सीपीआर, अगर सीपीआर देने लायक कोई पेशेंट है फर्स्ट एड में जिसको सीपीआर दिया जाए, जिसको कार्डियक अरेस्ट हुआ हो, उसे मुंह से कुछ नहीं देंगे। और अगर कोई पेशेंट बेहोश पड़ा हुआ है, बेहोश है, तो उसके सर के नीचे कभी भी तकिया नहीं लगाएंगे, पिलो नहीं लगाएंगे। नेवर कीप पिलो अंडर द हेड ऑफ द अनकॉन्शियस पेशेंट्स। ये कर सकते हैं कि उनके पैर के नीचे पिलो रखें, जिससे कि ब्लड सप्लाई बढ़ जाए। पुटिंग अ पिलो बिलो द लेग्स हेल्प्स टू इंक्रीज ब्लड सप्लाई टू चेस्ट एंड हेड। ठीक, कभी भी पेशेंट अगर अनकॉन्शियस है तो उसको ऐसे डायरेक्शन में ना मूव करें कि उसको कोई फ्रैक्चर हो या फिर कोई और दिक्कत हो। नेवर मूव द पेशेंट और इट्स बॉडी पार्ट्स इफ देयर इज अ फ्रैक्चर और डिसलोकेशन ऑफ बोन्स। इतना करने के बाद हम सीपीआर दे सकते हैं पेशेंट्स को। आफ्टर ऑब्जर्विंग ऑल द पॉइंट्स सीपीआर शुड बी स्टार्टेड इमीडिएटली। सीपीआर को अगर एबीसी में देखा जाए तो एबीसी मीन्स, ए मीन्स होता है एयरवे, ए स्टैंड्स फॉर एयरवे, बी स्टैंड्स फॉर ब्रीदिंग, सी स्टैंड्स फॉर कार्डियक मसाज और चेस्ट मसाज और सर्कुलेशन। एयरवे के लिए क्या करेंगे? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एयरवे ऑफ पेशेंट शुड बी ओपनड एंड क्लीन। सेकंड, बाय रैपिंग हैंकरचीफ माउथ ऑफ द पेशेंट इज क्लीन। चेंज द पोजीशन ऑफ हिज फेस सो दैट द एयरवे इज नॉट ब्लॉक्ड ड्यू टू टंग विच कैन फॉल बैकवर्ड। कभी कभी जीभ पीछे की तरफ चली जाती है, पेशेंट जब बेहोश होता है मुड़ जाती है, पीछे की तरफ हो जाती है, तो कोशिश करेंगे कि उसका चेहरा, उसके मुंह का पोजीशन ऐसे चेंज करें कि उसका एयरवे खुल जाए, और हैंकरचीफ से उसका मुंह पूरा पोंछ देंगे, साफ कर देंगे, और एयरवे ओपन करेंगे जैसे भी हो सके। कीप द पेशेंट इन हिज पोजीशन विद द chin फेसिंग अपवर्ड। क्राउडिंग सराउंडिंग द विक्टिम मस्ट बी अवॉइडेड। इतना ध्यान रखें कि कभी भी पेशेंट के आसपास भीड़ ना हो। इंक्रीज द वेंटिलेशन बाय operating doors and windows if the patient is in room. This allows circulation of clean and fresh air in the room for the benefit of patient. अगर पेशेंट रूम में है तो वहाँ की खिड़कियाँ, दरवाजे सब खोल दें ताकि साफ हवा, ताज़ी हवा उस तक पहुँचे और वो सांस ले सके एयरवेज खोलने के बाद। अब ब्रीदिंग के लिए क्या करेंगे ये भी बता दें। ब्रीदिंग के लिए क्या करेंगे? इट मे बी नोटेड दैट अ पर्सन कैन नॉट सर्वाइव मोर देन 3 minutes विदाउट ऑक्सीजन। ये ध्यान रखें कि कोई भी पेशेंट है जो कि 3 मिनट तक अगर बिना ऑक्सीजन का है तो वो तो जिंदा रह सकता है, लेकिन 3 मिनट से ज़्यादा वो जिंदा नहीं रह सकता बिना ऑक्सीजन के। इफ़ ब्रीदिंग इज स्टॉप्ड देन आफ्टर क्लीनिंग इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट गिविंग माउथ टू माउथ ब्रीदिंग, ऑल्सो नोन एज आर्टिफिशियल ब्रीदिंग। अगर पेशेंट सांस लेना बंद कर दिया तो माउथ टू माउथ, मुंह से उसके मुंह में सांस दें, हवा दें, जिसको आर्टिफिशियल ब्रीदिंग कहते हैं। दिस ब्रीदिंग कैन बी डन बाय क्लोजिंग टाइटली द नोज ऑफ द पेशेंट बाय फर्स्ट 2 fingers एंड फोर्सिंग लंग फुल ऑफ एयर बाय माउथ टू माउथ। पहले अपने दोनों स्टार्टिंग के जो उंगलियां हैं उनसे उसके नाक को, पेशेंट के नाक को दबाएं, फिर माउथ टू माउथ ब्रीथ दें, एयर दें। The expansion of chest should be observed, confirming entry of air into the lungs. For adults, such 15 artificial breathing should be given in 1 minute. 1 मिनट में एडल्ट को 15 बार सांस दे सकते हैं। माउथ टू नोज रिस्पायरेशन की बात करें तो इफ़ ड्यू टू फ्रैक्चर ऑफ जा The patient cannot open the jaw. The mouth-to-nose respiration is used. In such case, mouth of patient should be kept closed. अब इसमें देखें इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ सीपीआर. इसमें चेस्ट मसाज भी करते हैं, चेस्ट मसाज या कार्डियक मसाज, इसको भी हम बता दें थोड़ा. तो इट शुड बी फाउंड दैट द पल्स ऑफ पेशेंट इज मिसिंग. इट इज इंडिकेशन ऑफ फेल्योर ऑफ फंक्शन ऑफ हार्ट. अगर पेशेंट का पल्स नहीं चल रहा है, इसका मतलब है कि पेशेंट का हार्ट जो है वो फेल्योर है, हार्ट फेल्योर इंडिकेट करेगा ये. इन सच सिचुएशन कार्डियक मसाज इज ऑब्जर्व या स्टार्टेड. कार्डियक मसाज इसी सिचुएशन में देते हैं जब उसका पल्स डाउन हो और हार्ट फेल्योर की तरफ बढ़ता हो. कार्डियक मसाज इज परफॉर्म्ड बाय प्रेसिंग द चेस्ट बाय बोथ द हैंड्स एंड बाय द हिल्स ऑफ हैंड ऑनली. कार्डियक मसाज दोनों हाथ से देते हैं, दोनों हाथ से प्रेस करके ही देते हैं. प्रेशर शुड बी एक्सर्टेड इन 2 fingers above the lower end of the sternum. While applying the pressure, arm should be exactly perpendicular to area of compression. The pressure applied should be 10 kg per centimeter square and 20 pounds inch square, by which chest get pressed by 1.5 to 5 centimeter. By this way, pressure is applied 60 to 80 times per minute. प्रेशर को 60 से 80 बार अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. If one is alone is performing CPR by above method, after very 50 compression, 2 is mouth to mouth or mouth to nose respiration should be given. But if 2 person are following CPR by above method, after every 5 compressions, the artificial respiration should be given. ठीक. अब CPR का इम्पोर्टेंस देखें. इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ CPR. CPR is a life-saving technique. It aims to keep blood and oxygen flowing through the body when a person's heart and breathing have stopped. CPR can be performed by any trained person. It involves external chest compressions and rescue breathing. CPR performed within the first 6 minutes of the heart stopping can keep someone alive until medical help arrives. Hands-only CPR. People without CPR training can perform hands-only CPR by following the steps below. Survey the scene. Make sure it's safe for you to reach the person in need for help. Check the person for responsiveness. Shake their shoulder and ask loudly, "Are you okay?" For an infant, tap the bottom of the foot and check for a reaction. If the person isn't responsive, seek immediate help. Call your local emergency services if the person isn't responsive. If the unresponsive person is a child from age 1 to 8, begin CPR first. Perform it for 2 minutes, then call emergency services. Check the heart with an automated external defibrillator AED. If an AED is readily available, use it to check the person's heart rate. The machine may also instruct you to deliver one electric shock to their heart before beginning chest compression. Locate hand position. If the person is an adult, place the heel of one of your hand in the center of their chest between the nipples. Put your other hand on the top of the first hand. Interlock your fingers so they are drawn up and the heel of your hand remains on their chest. For children from age 1 to 8, use your just one hand in the center of their chest. For infant, place two fingers in the center of their chest, slightly below the nipple line. Begin compressions. To start compressions on an adult, you use your upper body to push straight down their chest at least 2 inches. Perform these at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Allow their chest recoil between compressions. For children from ages 1 to 8, push straight down on their chest about 2 inches at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. For an infant, push straight down on their chest 1/2 inches at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Continue compressions. Repeat the compression cycle until the person starts to breathe or medical help arrives. If the person begins to breathe, have them lie on their side quickly until medical assistance is on the scene. Mouth to mouth resuscitation. Mouth to mouth resuscitation method. In the first few minutes of cardiac arrest, there is still oxygen in the person's lungs and bloodstream. Starting chest compression first on someone who is unresponsive or not breathing normally can help send this critical oxygen to the brain and heart without any delay. If you are trained in CPR and come across someone who is unresponsive or having difficulty breathing, follow the steps for hands-only CPR for 30 chest compressions. Then perform the following actions. Open the airway. Put the palm on your hand on the person's forehead and tilt their head back. Gently lift their chin forward with your other hand. For infant and children from age 1 to 8, a head tilt alone will often open their airway. Give rescue breaths. Rescue breaths are appropriate for anyone age 1 and older. With the airway open, pinch the nostril shut and cover the person's mouth with a CPR face mask to make a seal. For infants, cover both mouth and nose with the mask. If a mask isn't available, cover the person's mouth with your mouth. Give 2 rescue breaths, each lasting about 1 second. Watch for their chest to rise with each breath. If it is reposition the face mask and try again. Alternate rescue breathing with chest compression. Continue alternating 30 compressions with 2 rescue breaths until the person begins to breathe or until medical help arrives. If the person begins to breathe, have him or her lie on their side quietly until medical assistance is on the scene. Sylvester method, chest pressure arm lift method of artificial respiration. सिल्वेस्टर मेथड देखें क्या क्या प्रोसीजर्स हैं उसमें. This method comprises of the following steps. Place the victim on his back, insert the support under his or her shoulder to raise them and allow his or her head to drop backward. Kneel at victim's head, keep the victim's head on the chest by crossing them over the lower chest part. The pressure should cause the air to flow out for victim nose and mouth. Immediately pull the arms outward and upward over his or her head and backward as far as possible. This should cause the inspiration. Repeat the whole cycle about 20 to 12 times a minute. If second rescuer is available, ask him to hold victim's head so that the jaw will be in open condition. Any content of the mouth should be removed to keep mouth as clean as possible at all times. A Holger-Nelson method or back pressure arm lifted method of artificial respiration देखें. This method comprises of the following steps. Place the victim's face down with one hand on the other and turn his head slightly to one side and ensure that the jaw is opened. Kneel at the victim's head, looking towards his feet. Place hands to his back so that the palms lies just below the line or armpits. Apply a steady even pressure downwards upon our hands. Immediately pull the arms upward and downward until we feel enough resistance and tension at his or her shoulder. Lower the arm and repeat the whole cycle of events about 12 times a minute. If second rescuer is available, then ask him to hold victim's head so that the jaw is open condition. Remove contents of mouth if any and keep mouth as clean as possible. आर्टिफिशियल रिस्पायरेशन है, माउथ टू माउथ रिस्पायरेशन यही है, ऐसे करते हैं. द किस ऑफ लाइफ रूटीन. माउथ टू माउथ रिस्पायरेशन is the most effective method of artificial respiration. This can be done by blowing exhaled air of rescuer into the mouth of the victim, at the same time closing his nostril. Chest pressure, arm lift और Sylvester method. ये प्रोसीजर्स हैं उसके. Back pressure arm lift, Holger-Nelson method. In an accident, even if breathing has stopped by whatever reasons, the heart may continue to beat but for few minutes. In all cases, when a grave injury has caused stoppage of heart activity and respiration, Resuscitation should be begin instantly, because if there is a lapse of time period of 5 minutes or more from the time the heart stops to the commencement of resuscitation, then the chances of victim survival are very rare. In order to restore pumping of stopped heart, chest massage is carried out. It consists of rhythmic compression of chest to expel blood from the heart into the vessels to restore blood flow, while the proper place for applying pressure should be selected and the force applied for massage must be appropriate. तो इसका ये डायग्राम है.